Hi guys, Dorota Panicka, International Nail Artist and Educator here, and I've got this parcel to unbox. It is gonna be an awesome video again. I got it sent from Shein, and we are gonna check what is inside. And this time I got the scissors, so I am all prepared. So let me check what we've got in here. Bling Bling, I love it so much. That's a makeup brush, but I'm actually gonna store my nail brushes in there. Absolutely fantastic one. It is gonna look absolutely perfect on my nail desk. Look how pretty it is. Really beautiful, nice and blingy. I love it. I actually have the lights effects on it. If you do search 5RUDD, I will give you that in the description of the video as well. You'll be able to see all those products. We've got some lashes. I'm actually going to check it if they're nice and fluffy. Because obviously I love wearing eyelash extensions. And yes, they are nice and fluffy. I want you, Patrick, to touch it as well. Yes, they are nice and fluffy. We've got some makeup removal sponges, and I love how nice. So they come in like really thin and a heart shape, so cute. And then they expound, and they actually look like a sponge when you do remove your makeup or cleanse your face. Absolutely awesome stuff. And again, because I am loving my lashes, I've got some lash brushes. So they're nice and blingy as well, like a pink, beautiful color. We've got some eyelash tweezer, which I'm gonna check actually the grip of it. So it is an L-shape tweezer. I am actually gonna check it. Not sure if the camera is gonna be visible, but I'm gonna check it how easy it is to make a fans out of it. Actually pretty easy. I'm not sure, guys, if you can see it. But yeah, we can make a nice fans out of it. Really fluffy ones. We've got some makeup cases. Actually right on time, because we will use it for traveling as well. And they've got a nice floral design, like a wee roses. So a small one for the most necessary items. So we are gonna take this one, makeup sponges. Nice and pretty one. And then we've got a medium one. So you can put your shampoo. Yeah, it should actually squeeze in. It looks quite nice and decent. I think this is going to be a first unboxing video when I'm going to have a nice and clean table, because I usually kind of tend to throw out the stuff. And then we've got some cotton buds, and I actually use them. I love it because they are not fluffy. I show you what I mean by that. And they're actually fantastic price, unbelievable price. So I love it because they are not extremely like fluffy, which is awesome when you clean up an eyebrow tint. So when you apply the eyebrow tint and you want to have a nice and sharp edge, I use that to clean it, and it gives me a fantastic results. So my eyebrows are intact. I'm gonna just squeeze that into that bigger case. And I usually quite like those ones, like, because I can store it on my desk. Like, I love it on my makeup case. So let me just put that in there. We are actually gonna hide everything into those beautiful bags. We've got brush case. So in some of the previous videos I have done some unboxing of the makeup brushes, and I really love them as well. So now I've got the rotary brush case as well, which is awesome. because I like to keep them like nice and handy. Then we've got another eyebrow case and lots of more stuff. Eyelashes, that was the eyelashes cases, not the eyebrow case. I don't know what is in there. I'm gonna check it, and I'm gonna check it, this one. Ah, okay, that's a nice storage one. Okay, let me do one thing at the time. Okay, I did mess. I'm gonna straighten them a little bit. So here, that's a really large package. I'm gonna actually store some blankets in there because I keep those bags and they are fantastic. Like if you've got some stuff which you keep it in a wardrobe or even for a traveling, I actually reuse them, and I would put like, I can put a blanket in there or even a pillowcases, and then you can close it and also have less space taken in your suitcase. So I do actually store them always. So let me place that in here. Okay, that's the pads under the eye. And then I'm gonna check what I've got in here. Let me know in the comments below, guys, which stuff you like the most. I think I've got my winner. Ah, that's the storage. Okay, so that's the storage boxes, and it's a pretty large set of them. I'm just gonna show you some of them. So they come in different sizes, and they are fantastic for separating your glitters, because you could have like some different colors and different in different containers, and they could go all in your drawer. So they are quite nice and small ones. When, say, example, you've got chrome, nail art, you could actually put it in there as well. The medium size is this one. And it's actually quite a lot of them in here. So that will be enough for my desk, Olivia's desk, and the other girl desk as well. Oh my goodness, lots. Wow, look at the amount of them. Yeah, that's definitely get me sorted like for a... And even more, I think they might be a different size on the bottom. Yes, there is a different size in the bottom as well, so I quite like this size too. I'm gonna unpack one for you. And I love the fact they are quite small, so they will fit in beautifully in the drawer which I've got in the nail desk. So I'm so happy with this one. And then this one will be for Patrick, because we have done an amazing autumn background, guys. Like, it looks absolutely phenomenal. I might actually, I will want to show you that background as well, guys. Like, it is really nice and pretty. And these boxes are gonna be for Patrick to store some of his autumn stuff. So I've got lots of, it's actually, I will need to straighten them. And let me see. Okay, they're actually quite decent. Oh, yes, he will love them. So you put this stuff inside, and what we will do it is we will store, because we're getting more and more photography stuff, like a really nice and beautiful flowers, sunflowers. That's what we did it for the photography studio. We did the project which I love the most. It was a bicycle wheel, pretty old, like, and very rusty. So Patrick just repainted it beautifully white, and then I have attached different type of flowers and sunflowers, and we have collected some pine cones. So like, it looks amazing. But this box is gonna be fantastic to separate those flowers. Like, so if I've got some autumn colors, I can just put them there, and wee pumpkins, and then we can do another box with Christmas decoration, and I think they can go one on top of another. So yeah, they look pretty nice and decent. I'm not gonna unpack the other one. It will need probably some time to kind of get a better shape. But yeah, that's all the goodies I have received today from Shein, and I hope you have really enjoyed this wee unboxing video. My favorite thing is probably that bling stuff. You know, I love bling, but I actually quite like those boxes too. I hope you have really enjoyed it. Sending you huge glittery hugs and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!